The Metatron's cube is a complex symbol that has long been used as a sacred tool to understand certain intangible ideas, beliefs, and a universe itself. Named after the archangel Metatron, who appears in Jewish, Christian, and Islamic traditions, Metatron's cube is a perfect example of sacred geometry. It is an easy symbol to identify with its geometric design made up of circles and lines. In this video, we'll take a closer look at this unique symbol, its origins, and what it means. The name Metatron first appeared in Kabbalistic and Talmud texts of Judaism, referring to a mythical archangel responsible for watching over the flow of energy in creation. In this capacity, it's likely that he understood the rules that underpin creation, which almost always incorporate sacred geometry. Metatron was typically depicted with a cube, which he is said to have formed out of his very soul. What makes Metatron's cube so special is that it's said to contain all the geometric shapes and patterns that exist, from the spirals of snail shells to the hexagons of a honeycomb, as well as the geometric codes found in flowers, snowflakes, DNA molecules, organic life forms, and heavenly bodies. Naturally, the cube is considered sacred because it's associated with the belief that God is a geometer of the universe. At first glance, the Metatron's cube may look a bit confusing and messy, but when you look closely, you'll find that it does follow a specific pattern and layout. As you deconstruct the image, you'll notice that several other important sacred geometry symbols are embedded within Metatron's cube. The cube is made up of a central circle surrounded by 6 other circles. All the circles are of the same size and together they form the shape of a simple flower. This symbol is also known as the seed of life. Each circle has another circle extending from it, making up 13 in total. If this pattern were to continue, it would create the flower of life. Also within this image is the seed of life, which consists of 6 lines of connected circles emanating from a central circle. In the Metatron's cube, the circles are all interconnected by a series of straight lines. These lines form the 5 Platonic solids, said to be bases for every design in the universe. These are the tetrahedron, octahedron, hexahedron, icosahedron, and a dodecahedron. The Platonic solids appear repeatedly and randomly in nature, a fact which made the ancient Greeks associate with the 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air, and space. Throughout history, the Metatron's cube has been used to represent intangible aspects of life. It represents the following concepts: balance of energy. In sacred geometry, the Metatron cube represents the balance of energy within the universe. If you look closely at the symbol, you'll notice how all the shapes in it are connected, regardless of how small or insignificant they may be. The circles of the cube are thought to represent the feminine, while the straight lines symbolize the masculine. The symbol is often used as an inspiration for personal transformation. Map of creation. As the Metatron cube represents all the geometric shapes found in nature, ancient civilizations regarded it as a map of creation. Some scholars still believe that the symbol is the building block of everything in the universe and reveals the inner knowledge of the divine. Guidance and healing protection. Metatron's cube has been used as a symbol for guidance, healing, and protection. As a guardian of heavenly secrets and the highest of angels, Metatron's cube, which represents the angel himself, has the ability to attract positive forces and dispel negative energies. The Metatron's cube has been used in art, architecture, and even fashion. Many use it as a visual focal point for meditation, while some believe that it has healing and protective powers. The symbol is also said to ward off bad luck or negativity and attract positive energies. In some cultures, the symbol is hung on the windows or doors to keep out evil influences. What do you see in Metatron's cube? Let us know in the comments below. If you'd like to watch similar videos about your favorite symbol, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button. Don't forget to click the notification button so that we can let you know when new videos and updates become available. Thank you for watching.